Hello everyone, today I tell you how to install software on iPhone or iPad. Here are some tips I need to show you all. For iPhone or iPad users. So I will install all the demonstrations that we use 3util on our computer. You can download this program on Google. I hope all your computers have this software already. Now I start the installation, we open of this program. Please connect all your phones to PC. Click Function Toolbox. Click Function IPA Signature. Click Add IPA Files. You can search all these files on Google. As long as all your files are IP files, you can do all this. Here you need to submit your Apple ID account to connect to our app. Now our software is not installed successfully, we need to take another step. Right-click on the program, Install Can You? We have successfully installed this application on our phone and we need to confirm on our phone again. Thank you for watching this video, do not forget to support.